right here.
Y'all gotta let her go down with you.
We can't. She can't let go.
Hey, get out. Get out. Coco.
Y'all can do this, Kadasia.
Coco going down with you.
Ooh, look at him go. Look at him go. Yeah.
All right, girls. Let her ride with you. Put it close to the edge. Let the dog go.
Okay, but she won't let go.
Well, let her go down in it by herself. You better sit down. You can't hold her, don't scream at me. Cheyenne. Hey, she's full of both of y'all. How about y'all wait together?
Get out.
Hurry.
I want to get on.
She wants to go. Let her go. Stop smacking her, Cheyenne.
I don't care.
Go down it, Coco. Let Coco go down it, y'all. Well, don't let her ride down with y'all. Let her get in between you and Kadasia.
I'm trying to push y'all.
Oh, hold her. Hold her. Hold her. Hold her. Hold her. Go. Hold her. Look at Buddy and Cheyenne. They're silly. She wanted to go by herself. She took a glove. Break it up, girls. She wants to get in it, go by herself.